Hi, today we'll see how to configure a basic security policy on the SRX-240. This is the case study which we are going to configure in this particular video. We are going to configure the interface GE0/0/0 with an IP address of 192.168.11.81, and we are going to place this interface in the trust zone. Then we will configure the interface GE0/0/3 with an IP address of 172.18.1.2, and we'll place this interface in the untrust zone. Then we'll configure a policy allowing computers in the 192.168.11 segment to ping the server 172.31.15.1. So let's go ahead and start configuring the devices. So first we'll configure the interface GE0/0/0 with an IP address of 192.168.11.81. And then we'll configure the interface GE0/0/3 with an IP address of 172.18.1.2. Now we will place the interface in their respective zones. So we will place the interface GE00 in the zone trust, and the interface GE003 in the zone untrust. We will then configure a static route sending all the packets to the router IP 172.18.1.1. Let us look at the case study once again. We are going to configure an address book for the computers in the 192.168.11 segment in the trust zone. Similarly, we are going to configure an address book for the server in the untrust zone. So first we will configure the address book for the 192.168.11 segment in the zone trust. Let's call it 192.168.11 network. We will then configure an address book for the server in the untrust zone. Let's call it server. We will now configure the security policy from the zone trust to the zone untrust. Let's give this policy the name allow ICMP. The source address has to match the 192.168.11 segment. So we will give the name 192.168.11 network. The destination address should match the server. And the application would be ICMP. ICMP has several types, so we can see what are the types available in the Juno's predefined applications. we will choose ICMP all, and then the action is permit. Before committing the changes, let's test whether the users are able to ping 172.31.15.1. As you can see, the users are unable to ping the server. So let's check whether our syntax is correct by giving the command commit check. Now we will commit the changes. Now let us try whether we are able to ping the server 172.31.15.1, and we are able to. So let's look at the configuration once again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.